Akari versus Farm Fresh. This is our match hype. Nothing gets more crucial than this. Simula na ng knockout quarterfinals sa 2024 PVL Reinforced Conference. Ang maghaharap ang Akari kontra Farm Fresh. Matapos masweep ng Akari ang preliminaries, siguradong nasa kanila ngayon ang momentum as the top seed. Charged and ready to go sina Oli Ocaro, Ivy Lacsina at Grethcel Soltones para sa Akari. Ang Farm Fresh naman, huwag iismulin. Underdog man as the 8th seed ay lalaban pa rin. Nakuha ng Foxies ang huling quarter spot matapos talunin kahapon August 22 ng PLDT ang Choco Mucho. Hamon para kina Yenny Murillo, Trisha Tubu, Caitlin Viray and the rest of Farm Fresh na kalimutan ang nakaraan pa lang nilang pagkatalo in 3 sets sa Akari. Who will take the first semi-seat? Abangan yan ngayong Sabado, August 24. For more info, check out onesports.ph.